Meter pits offer protection and ease of access to water meters, but their rigid structure provides a standard solution to a unique problem. Most meter pits require adjustments to be made at the bottom, which means digging up the entire pit if it's already been backfilled. Thankfully, AY McDonald has created a solution for that. Meet the adjustable pit setter. With its robust rotomolded poly construction, the top adjustable feature allows you to set the pit before the finish grade is determined, saving you valuable time and money. While other adjustable meter pits can only be adjusted at the bottom and in 3-inch increments, the adjustable pit setter's innovative design allows for an impressive 18 inches of continuous adjustability. And as an added benefit, if ground settling occurs or landscaping changes are made, this unique feature allows for easy adjustment many years after the pit was set in place. Better yet, for those instances where a traditional meter pit has already been installed, but not to proper grade level, our 95 series top adjustable retrofit kit can be easily installed onto the existing PVC pipe without digging the entire depth of the pit. Where there's a problem, we have the solution. Order the adjustable pit setter from Cambridge Brass today.